So yesterday I got to thinking, and those two black Australorp pullets, the females, one on the right and the one right, those two in the middle, they are really old enough to start laying. They should be. One of them's a little younger than the other one. They're both about the same size. One of them a little larger than the other one. So I came out here yesterday to my, this is the best nest box. And of course the flaps are hanging down all the time. And I thought, well, you know, they may not know what the heck is going on with that. So let's just do this. So I got me some tape and I taped up the flaps to open the nest box. And I put a ceramic egg. I've got a ceramic egg or two. That one looks looks pretty rough, but it's because it's got tape residue on it. Sometimes if I want to get them started laying, I'll tape an egg up in here, a ceramic egg, which is used to help them get started, help them to see what they're supposed to be doing. So anyway, I did that, put the egg up in there, and took some nesting material. I've got shavings down here on the floor of this pen. Took some of the shavings, just kind of made a little nest, you know, just kind of made a little thing here. Put the egg in it. That's again ceramic egg. Put it in there like that and walked away. Came over here a while ago, raised this up, and now I'll be darned. Look at that. One of them girls done gave me a present. So, I'm gonna leave that egg right where it is, and we'll see if we get some more. See if the other one gets spurred on, or whether the one that laid that will lay another one. But I'll be darned. I'll be darned. But I got an egg. And that's a medium size, maybe a small to medium size. But she's young. That's her first egg probably, unless she's been laying somewhere else. That's her first egg. And we'll just be expecting a whole lot more from her. I thought that was pretty neat. My first try on these chickens, my first try at, well, they just found out that the gate was open. Took off. They love that garden. Anyway, that was my first try at getting this particular group to lay. And I'll be doggone successful on the first try. So if you have a best nest box, and some of you do, and I've had several say that they just, you're having trouble with the chickens wanting to come in here, being scared of it or not used to it or for whatever reason. So that's what I've done even on another batch of chickens a year or so ago, and that's just build a little nest, put a little egg in it. If you don't have a ceramic egg, if you got some any kind of eggs in the house, do that, and put that in there, and they'll jump up here on occasion. In fact, when they see these are taped up, see that something's changed, they'll jump up here just to see what the heck's going on, and then they'll look in there and they'll say, well, oh my gosh, what is that? That's what I'm supposed to be doing. And then they're gonna lay you one, just like they did me. Try it. If you don't have a best nest box, dadgummit, you ought to. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's a nest box that they go in and lay, and the egg, normally it doesn't have a nest in there like I'm making. They go in there and lay, and it rolls right down into here. Very little poop on it, very little mess, very little problem. Okay? And one like that, that's a 4-footer. That'll do probably 20 chickens, 20 or 30 chickens probably. Anyway, that's best nest box. I've already done a video on it. Kind of getting dirty. It's really getting dirty. That's my fault. Not the chickens. That's my fault. Anyway, I've already done a video on it, my review of it. Still like it. The heck out of it. Just need to get my chickens going. Young chickens. And hopefully they'll all start stepping in this dude and making their deposits. We like it. We'll sell them. We'll eat a few. We'll sell the rest. Sounds good. Here we go.